Curvy Bikini Chef here again. So the chili is done, and I'm getting ready to taste it. This outfit is just like the black and white one I had on. This one also has a skirt, but this is how the back look. So I done did all the cooking. So I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like. I think it's cute. I did not make this one or the black and white one, and I didn't have to alter this one. The black and white one I did have to alter it. And while I was waiting for the chili to get done, because I know I said 3 o'clock in the other video, it actually took 4 o'clock, and I had time to make 2 bracelets. So they're cute. Not real like my Pandora bracelet, but it can be real if you put clear polish on there. But anyway, let's get this started. I already got my ladle. They don't call that a spoon. Okay. I'll stay in there. I'm only gonna take a little bit because I'm taking most of it to my son's house tomorrow. Christmas. Yeah, that's too much. Because I'm actually gonna let this cook some more. I put 4 hours. Actually, okay. That way I can let it cook some more. I should have used the other camera thing, the one that one be making me dizzy. The one that moves every time you move, it be making me dizzy. Yeah, it's been a while. Oh, you know what's missing? The chives. I don't have time for all that cutting it up, but where are you? I do have sour cream. In Philly, we put sour cream, and I'm only gonna put a little bit because I don't have a full bowl. We put sour cream and chives on top, and our baked potatoes. I think it'd be actually you could put sour cream on top of that too. Now I'm only gonna put a little bit. Oh, and cheese. We put cheese on top too, but I ain't gonna put cheese on top. When I get my full bowl later on, cause it's still early, and I stir mine up because it makes it thicker, but you don't have to. You just eat it right on top like whipped cream. See how it look? It's thicker. Them black beans be setting it off, man. I'm telling you. And I made this wig too. I always go and get in Philly. It's easy to get wigs to redo hair or do a new wig. If I had a whole bowl, oh man, I would eat that bowl and then be ready to go to sleep. So I'm not even gonna do that. I gotta take a picture too. I gotta take a picture of the chili. It's good. And since I couldn't eat on this side started hurting. So I'm still eating soft stuff. Trying not to eat the meat, but the beans are soft. I can just crush them with my spoon, which is what I'm doing. But I think I'm gonna eat, cause me and him gonna split this. And maybe my son will get some. Maybe. No, we'll see. Mm. You know what's funny? I was like, where's the banana pudding that I uploaded? How about I uploaded it to the dancing movie review? It's not even supposed to be on there. It's supposed to be on just cooking. It's only supposed to be cooking on. Because sometimes you rushing and I'll be trying to answer, not answer, but Well, it depends on what people say to me. I still have to figure out how to do the live thing, but I be trying to hit the heart and the thumbs up to everybody because it be over 100 comments. I'll be there for like 2 days. If I answer, took my time, gave everybody half a paragraph. It would be nice, but I do have. This is really good. Never made chili in like 2 years. My best friend that moved to Miami, I always made it because I know he loved chili. My chili tastes better than his chili because you know I'm from Philly, so that was good. That was really good. That hit the spot. So now I gotta try not to spill the rest of the sour cream. I'm gonna call my neighbor, say, come get your stuff, man. So thanks again for watching. See, I gotta put this. There's so much food in here because there's a big old pork butt thing that I'm gonna cook for New Year's. So, but I figured that the blonde hair was a nice touch because I don't have this type of blue hair. I only got this one, the one I put in there, and I think I'm gonna braid my hair with this type of thing, but it's gonna be more colors though. It's gonna be looking like a freaking rainbow. So I just want to say thank y'all again. I really like this bathing suit on me, and I have no idea how this works. Like I just was like, okay, I'm just gonna pull it down because it's all of this moves around. I really like this bathing suit, but I'm gonna do the black one without the skirt because I was actually saying I wonder if I can put the skirt on as a shirt, but that's the next video. I'll work it out. So again, Merry Christmas to everyone, and make sure y'all get a present for me too. Okay? Make sure y'all get one for me. I ain't forget about y'all. And it's going to be a special, special video. And it just came today from Temu. I got a new bikini, but I can't wear it on here though. So that's going to be on my you know where page. So shout out to all of y'all, because it's a lot of y'all. So shout out to all of y'all, and have a happy holiday, and I will see y'all Wednesday. Okay, and there's a mosquito flying around. Oh my god, I gotta get it. Okay, where did it go at? Oh man, I hate bugs, even flying ones. What the hell? Oh, sweet. Ugh. Oh my god, somebody made sweet potato casserole, and it has pecans or walnuts on top of it. Ooh, you know what they look like from a distance. But anyway, it's time to go. Thanks again. You, I can't, I have no words. I have no words because I have over 100,000 views. Like that is so crazy. That is not crazy in a bad way, but just like it just be blowing my mind. Like it's just crazy, crazy. So let me stop talking because it's almost at oh shit, it's at 9 minutes. So I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna see y'all Wednesday. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all Wednesday.